You look at this fuse, and there's a metal bar that runs through there. That's the filament of the fuse. And by the eye, it looks like it's in perfect condition. But the only way to tell is by a meter. You set the meter here at ohms and connect the two leads together. It shows continuity. So if you set that and touch each side of the fuse, you should see that needle move again. And you don't, because it's not connected at all. So the fuse is dead. But that's a 20 amp fuse. I have to go to an automobile place or someplace. But that doesn't mean that's the only thing wrong with the thing. I mean, something caused the fuse to blow. Could be something wrong.
Right.
But without putting the fuse in and powering it up, there's really no way to tell. I mean, you can temporarily short out the fuse and plug it in, which I guess ain't gonna matter. It'll smoke like a mother if there's something wrong. So let's plug her in. Because I don't have the light and stuff working, but everything else should still work. Let's set this blower down in here.
Need an extension cord?
Yeah, there's an extension cord right over there. Or you got the light on.
Oh, it's nice having power up here.
What's that?
It's nice having power.
Okay, go ahead and plug it in.
You're not gonna shock yourself, are you?
No. Okay, I'm just going to short this fuse out. Now come around and look at the front. Okay, it's powered up. You got a 30-second thing in there? Hit the 30-second mother. Say something 30 seconds?
No, I'm just gonna hit 1 minute.
Works. It works.
But is it heating?
Well, here.